kuya. Hindi, kumaway na sa amin kanina. Oo, kumaway na. Ay, nagulat yung mga in-shape. Bakit yung in-shape? Ang kayang daanan ko lagi. Dapat pala pumasok ka ngayon. Hindi nandiyan ka sana sa loob. Oo nga. Nakalagay yung kaloro. Sayang talaga.
Bakit kaya? Possession of very handsome face.
Hi Cass, actually, after Ragnarok, I've been playing a lot of online games, pero currently I'm on Lineage War, so you can catch me there. Thanks for your question. Actually, type O. Hindi ko lang alam kung positive or negative. Basta it's type O. I'm about type O. Mahilig sa surprises yan eh. Well, yes, yung gift niya sa akin nung birthday ko. Sa Itbulaga. Sa surprise. Hindi ako na-orient. Term of endearment, wala naman. Pero I call her Mengay most of the time. Yung kasi, excuse me. Actually, medyo. I'm learning how to control it. Pero sometimes talaga lumalabas-labas pa rin siya. Pero, try my best. Pero paging OC, no? Ano nalaman niya? May times ako, pero most of the times siya talaga. Hindi pong wala ka sa mood, pero pag kinulit ka niya, patawa ka na. Pero siguro patay. Malay mo soon. Tomorrow, today, surprise. Uy, thank you, Cindy A. Ting, for that question. Actually, yes, it was difficult for me to get into character during the first shooting days of Imagine You and Me kasi I really had a hard time coming back to acting after a while na hindi nakaka-acting. So thank you for the compliment, Dantes. Please watch it again. Kung ilan ang ibigay ni Lord. Always remember the people who have been with you from the start and just always remember that you are still yourself. Nothing has changed. And prayers. Swimming. 10.5. Hi Pao, andito lang ako. Yes, I do watch Pokemon. And I'm quite excited for Pokemon Go. Susubukan ko lang, promise. Susubukan ko lang. I have this tendency to be addicted kasi. Pero, subukan ko. Ako, I don't really think they're obsessed. They're just very excited to see their idols and the ones that they support. So, I just understand. I just, let them be and have fun and Because minsan kasi sa excitement, dun lumalabas yung they say that they're obsessed, but they're not. They're just excited. So no need to handle, just have fun. Alex, alam mo kung matagal ko na yung kanya. Hindi ko maintindihan. Sobra. Hi, no emoji. Thank you very much. I'll see you. Well, what's my favorite verse? It's always has been John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He gave His only Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish but have everlasting life. That's my favorite verse. Siyempre, hotdog. For the record, yes, lumigat si Baste. Kaya niyo siyang buhatin, pero sobrang cute. Yun, like we always say, we always treasure the moments that we have always off-cam. Yun yung most memorable moments. So, yun. Hello, Broadway Janitor. Thank you for that question. Actually, there are no measures that I take to ensure to ensure myself of being a gentleman. I'm just being myself. That's it. Huwag masyadong sexy. Medyo lumakas yung powers ko, tsaka sobrang tumindi yung hiya ko. Pero ano lang yan, for Calles area and for fun. Honest to God, I really pray when I wake up, all the time, before going to bed. Hello guys, to everyone who participated and asked Alden during the Twitter question and answer. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. And let's do this again sometime. I had fun. God bless everyone. Thank you. And I'm getting ready for the show here in Singapore. Maraming salamat po. I'll see you very soon mga kapuso. Thank you.